Sunday, August 27th, 1:27 p.m. New York time. Broad market review and trade ideas. First, look at the S&P 500 futures, /ES symbol. The far right grid is the weekly chart for 1 year. The grid is 1 year. Each candle represents a week. The middle grid is 1 month. Each candle represents a day. And the grid to the far left is 5 days, 4-hour candles. So for the past week, S&P 500 closed yellow, inside candle, inside bar. Look at this. Low here. Higher low. Low. So the trend has been up. Yeah, bullish for the year. We're in a retracement mode right now. And we're sitting above, open this up so you can see, key level on the S&P 500 futures. Extend this out a little bit more. 2 years. So last year, that was a swing high. Went down, broke above it earlier this year, coming back down, just shy of it, but we haven't tested it nor broke it. So right now it's acting as a demand zone for buyers. Also, like I said, for the week, we inside candle, we didn't take out the higher low. It's a natural retracement. On the daily chart, Friday, we closed green inside that Thursday sell-off. There's a wick down here, buyers stepping in. We have a gap down here that has not been filled yet, be concerned. And Friday, huge volatility. It's right there in that candle, same there. So one might consider sitting on hands and waiting for certain price levels to be tested to look for the trading opportunities. Let's go on to the next financial instrument. Now look at the 10-year yield. Closed red for the week, but made a higher high, higher low, new high for the year. And tested and broke above that swing high from last year. So that candle almost looks like a dodgy candle up a tiny body, big wicks, top bottom, very interesting. So several things that we can look for here. It might be the halfway point, so we may have a retracement, continue back up, and that length might be the same as that, or may have a consolidation breakout. Again, bullish bias still. One could be looking at the pullbacks here on the daily, which it did. I've had a big impulse move down. Same thing. Look at that dodgy there on the daily. And then we went back and tested midpoint of that red candle, doing this. So far, looking at a bearish stop on. So again, we may have some more downside for giving an opportunity to reload, go back to the upside. And same thing on the 4-hour. A lot of volatility today. And the US dollar index, green for the week, higher high, higher low. Coming back near the high of the year. Here and here. Well, that's a swing high, May. That's the high of the year. Strong. For the week, on the daily Friday candle, green, higher high, higher low. Nice. Constantly breaking above higher high. Again, almost like a dodgy here. Again, potential retracement for opportunity to reload. You see here Friday, a lot of volatility. Look at the ranges it went. Crude oil. Daily charts. Red, lower low, lower high. Tested that 0.382 Fibonacci level. Buyer stepped in and bought it. Nice. Yep, look at that retracement. That's the trend up. That was retracement. Buyer stepped in there. So one's going to look for opportunity to reload. And look at Friday. Daily chart, green, higher high, higher low. So we have these tweezer bottoms here. Thursday and Wednesday, buyer stepped in, defending it. And new one stepped in, pushing higher. Nice. And intraday on the 4-hour here. You see, breaking below 79. A lot of buying activity down here. Gold. Well, on the weekly chart here, it closed green. Open this up some more. Closed green. So nice potential reversal. We had the trend down, closed green. Green closed above the close of that red candle. And potential reversal. Maybe you could go here. Swing low there, hasn't tested it. Demand zone, prior buyers. You see this wedge. Still facing down, so still a bearish wedge. But look for this. If a pop above, it could be a bullish opportunity if we break above that green come this week. See what happens. And daily chart, yep. With these Friday, Thursday, Wednesday consolidation. So that Wednesday, nice candle, bullish, and consolidation phase, maybe building staircase pattern higher high. Let's put this here on the daily further out. There was a trade setup all the way back here. That vertical line I have drawn here, that big body candle, huge above average volume occurred there. So I labeled the bottom and top potential trade ideas when that occurred. You were sitting on hands or taking other trades, waiting for come back in here for buying opportunity. That high, that big candle, the bottom came down there, tested it, proving it was buyers stepping in there just below it. Retested it past days, buyers stepped in it again and pulse up. So nice setup occurred there. Good job at if you took that for a day trade or short swing trade. Nice. Does not mean we're not going to test the bottom there. Nope, still test that for another opportunity. And the 4-hour loss selling up here was. So now we're looking at natural gas. It's a high for the year. It's a low for the year. And Friday closed weekly candle, red, lower low, lower high. Demand zone down here. Buyers have been here and buyers stepped in again. On the daily chart, yep. See what happened here? It went below and potential reversal. But Friday made an inside candle interesting. So we might see more buying activity pushing back up. And on the 4-hour consolidation here. Again, inside candle on Friday. Look for a breakout for a trade idea on that. And silver, nice big push. So silver is looking stronger than gold right now. Huge trading range there. Nice on the weekly. And Friday, so we have this big Wednesday, big green candle body. Thursday, inside candle. And Friday, and that green candle. So it looks like a consolidation here, building calls to go higher, higher, higher. And there we go on the 4-hour.